Hello, everybody. Thank you for the European Bioplastic for giving us the chance to present the INSOIL project. I'm Amparo Verdu. I'm the responsible of the Novel Materials Formulation Unit here at ITENE, the Packaging and Logistics Institute, and we are the coordinators of this INSOIL project that are going to present today. INSOIL project is a 48 months duration project. It has kicked off the 1st of June of 2025, and it will be end on May 2029. It is funded by the Horizon EU CBE 2024, the topic of bio-based materials and products for biodegradable in soil applications. And as I said, it's a 4-year project, and the coordinators are here at ITENE, the Packaging, Transport and Logistics Research Institute, and the project coordinators are myself, Amparo Verdu, and my colleague Miriam Gayur. Okay, let me first talk a little bit of why we have drafted a project like this, like INSOIL. As all of you know, plastics in the agricultural sector are widely used to boost crop productivity and efficiency. But this high demand is not aligned with the actual management, which leads to their accumulation in soil and aquatic ecosystems, turning them like a huge environmental and human hazard. So looking into this specific range of agri-products, single-use agri-plastics are of particular concern, highlighting the need for alternatives. Especially since recovery is often impractical due to some reasons. Sometimes at the end of their useful life, they are highly contaminated with soil, for example. So that makes in-soil biodegradable materials preferred as an alternative to mitigate their negative impacts. And this is the main purpose of this project, INSOIL project, as we are going to work on replacing 3 high-risk applications. By high risk, I mean high volume of use and toxicity. These applications are single-use and have low collectability. These applications are mulch films, plant guards, and also control-release fertilizers. These applications have different intended useful life from, for example, the shortest, the CRF, that normally these control release fertilizers have 1 to 6 months or useful life. Through, for example, mulch films that are normally 3 to 8, depending on the crop, and the plant guards that are the long useful life, 1 to maybe 2 years. In this way, these 3 main groups enables us to demonstrate the potential of the in-soil solutions in design programmed biodegradation across a wide range of applications. Okay, which is the general objective of INSOIL project? The general objective, as you could see in the slide, is the demonstration and deployment of a group of PHA-based products that are fully safe in soil biodegradable, aimed to replace widely used conventional agri-plastics in crop production, particularly those that are single-use crop dependent and have low collectability. Sorry. These alternatives are going to be based in PHA obtained from industrial biogenic CO2 emissions, contributing to a circular bioeconomy in Europe. INSOIL agri products will integrate three different kind of active byproducts: organic NPK, fertilizer, also microalgae-based biostimulants, and plant protection products. That will all these byproducts will provide them additional functionalities and improve soil health. Okay, with all of this, INSOIL will develop and demonstrate. We are going to start in TRL 5, 6, and at the end, we are going to achieve a TRL 7, 8. The above mentioned three families of bio-based alternatives, the mulch films, the plant guard, and also the control release fertilizers. For each of these three families, we are going to develop two different end products adapted in the biodegradation rate of tailored to tailors to different areas, different European areas, depending also on the climate and the crops. Okay. So let me go just a little bit deeper in each of each product that we are going to develop. The mulch film family, as I commented before, we are going to develop two different categories depending on the crop and the climate, and the strategy that we are going to use is the incorporation of selected biodegradation and functional bio-based additives into the film compound to enhance the PHA performance and program the biodegradation rate for the intended use. Also, we are going to select active byproducts into the film compound as well as PHA microencapsulated and apply them as a coating. For the plant guard, we are going to use the same strategy. We are going in one hand, we are going to incorporate the selected biodegradation and functional bio-based additives into the matrix, the PHA matrix. And also we are going to apply active byproducts by these coatings. And for the third one, the control release fertilizers family, we are going to incorporate microencapsulated organic NPK powder. And the part of the shell is going to be based on PHA, blended by extrusion compounding with selected biodegradation and functional bio-based additives to enhance the cell material. And also to, as I commented, to program fertilizer release tailored to specific needs. Okay, you could see here an overview of the methodology and the implementation that we are going to use in INSOIL project. We have the first and main area, the technical one, let's say, having the development and the demonstration of the INSOIL biodegradable and bio-based application crop productions. We have here the production of the agri products, the pilot production, and also the validation of the agri products. We have also another area for the co-creation, labeling, and recommendations with the collaboration with the stakeholders. And also we have the area of trying to maximize the INSOIL outouch and market uptake, directly related with the ensuring that the process for sure and products are safety and having in mind the sustainability. And for sure we have the area of the project management. Okay, here you could see here the INSOIL value chain. INSOIL gathers a strong and complementary consortium. We are 16 partners from 9 different countries. Okay, and you could see here that we cover all the value chain with the innovation and technology developers that we are here at ITENE. We have also BTT and Norte helping in this way. We have the part of the bio-based industry. We have Capsuli and a particular group working in the control release fertilizers. We have Savio Materials and Novamont and CO2 BioClean in the part of the PHA-based materials, okay? We have the part of the validation and compliance, working with the main actors in the biodegradation test. We have IVL, and we have Normec and the University of Jaume I here at Spain. We also have the part of the end users for the product validation in real life. We have ABA and also Boreborn. And for policy recommendations, we have the European bioplastics. And for dissemination and communication and also exploitation, we have the University of Hamburg and also the University of Bologna. Okay, so you could see here this value chain that I have been commented. We have starting with the supplement of the second and third generation feedstocks, primary producers and industry. We are going to work in the PHA in the PHA enhanced with additives and also trying to work with the functionalization of these PHA blends that we are going to develop. And also for the other part, this is the part of the main matrix, okay? And we have the other part that we have been talking about before, the part of the control release fertilizers, making the production of the active byproducts and also making the encapsulation of these active byproducts. All of these, the functionalized PHA blends, the encapsulated active byproducts, and the active byproducts itself are going to be processed and obtained the final product of agri-products of INSOIL. Here we have Novamont, Savio, and all the Capsuli and particular working together, the BTT and ITENE technologies. And at the end, we will have the mulch film, the plant guards, and also the control release fertilizer that primary producers like AVA or Borebond are going to test in real environments. And just for that's a photo of the key impacts that INSOIL project during during the preparation have been taken into account. So by 2015, all these key impacts are as you could see here, are totally aligned with the objectives of circular economy and zero pollution action plan, and also with the EU plastic strategy to help the deployment of sustainable bio-based, biodegradable materials and products for applications in soil. So, okay, just for finishing, we are clearly open for collaboration. So, we have in the call that has been funded the INSOIL project. We have a sister project that is Soul project. And we have directly collaboration and clustering with them for communication, dissemination, and policy, and also standardization activities. And for sure, we are open to collaboration with stakeholders outside the consortium who could be interested in our activities. So let's keep in touch and thank you for this opportunity to present INSOIL project.